Hey everyone, it's Katie. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm going to show you in this video how to link a video from YouTube onto your slides. I'm framing this specifically for a quick write, like a 60-second question or a 2-minute write or something, but you can use this for a variety of things in your slides. So right here I have my slide with my prompt, which bear is best. I'm going to then go to the insert button. You can do this on any slide, and I'm going to click on video. And it automatically takes me to YouTube. Now it's already filled in because I just did this as an example. But you have different options. You can search. If you have a URL already that you want to use, you can pop that in there. Or there's things in your Google Drive that you could also use. But for my purpose, I'm going to just search YouTube. These are directly linked right now. So I'm just going to type in, as you saw, a 60-second timer. And a bunch pop up. So you can search for what you need. Do you want one with music, without, fun colors, all that good stuff. I'm going to pick one. And then the second I click that, it's going to put it on my slide. Pretty awesome. So it's already there for you. When you present your slide then, you can go ahead and just click on that video and it'll work for you. I hope this is helpful.